Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ali Maths Blog. So student, in this video I will tell you how to simplify this algebraic expression. So student, to simplify this exponential form, so we have to write in here. So in the place of base here is 999. So we can write in the place of 199 1000 minus 1 whole to the power 3. So student, to simplify this exponential form, so we have to apply the formula a minus b whole to the power 3 is equal to aq minus bq minus 3ab into a minus b. So student, in the place of base here is 999. So we have to take 1000 minus 1 and in the place of power we have to write 3. So student, after that we can apply this formula on this algebraic expression. After apply this formula on this algebraic expression, we can write in here 1000 whole to the power 3 minus, so student, in the place of b here is 1, so we have to write 1 to the power 3 minus 3ab. So we have to write in the place of 3ab, we have to write 3 into 1000 into 1 into, inside this first bracket we have to write 1000 minus 1. Okay student. So after that, my dear student, 1000 whole to the power 3. So if you multiply 3 times 1000, then you get 100 crore minus, so here is 1 to the power 3. If you multiply 3 times 1, then you get 1. Okay. Minus, so student, if you multiply 3 into 1000, then you get 3000. Okay. Into, inside this first bracket, here is 1000 minus 1. So if you subtract 1 from 1000, then you get 999. So student, again we have to write 100 crore. Okay. So after 1, we have to take 9 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1. Minus, if you multiply 3000 with 999, then you get 2997000. Okay student. So my dear student, if you subtract 1 from 100 crore, then you get 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay student. Minus, again we have to write 29 lakh 97,000. After that, we have to subtract 29 lakh 97,000 from 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So then we have to write in here 99 crore 70 lakh 2,999. So this is our final answer. So my dear student, if you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.